And then after now, me go clip back my life and react. I fight me, I can't fight. Me no cussing, no come with the rule or regulation. Me never come and put no picture and I see a this or that day. Me never come and say, put for your picture side right after my picture. Of course, me I go find something to tell you after. Nobody not have to tell me you did love me. Me know you did love me. Of course, me can't talk the truth. Bible says speak the truth and speak it ever. You did love me, but what kind of reason? And you see when me here go for life, go talk, say I use you, did I use me? So I mean I have feelings too. And you want to see when me here go for life, go talk, say I did use you, did I use me? I do not do you guys nothing. When you just sit down and watch me. Me ain't nothing of that to hate me for. Because you what me, you see through the wall I want to get throat when you no come here and the wall I want to go a shelter. Nobody no throw me out. Me no catch man on the floor. Me never beg one on yet to put me up. And then there's something that me couldn't do love me. Like you no believe so me come and I go on too good. You no growth moderator no accept nobody in the box yet. You no come and you just hate me for no reason. What reason I don't know. Me I come there. This is one of the things I go call about. Oh, good evening, how are you? I'm fine. You're busy at work now, can you join my life for a second, please? Yeah, you can stay off camera. Just in my box, I want to ask you a question. Please, be the I'm on chef page, King chef page.
I need a big piece of wood.
Make it fast, please.
What's that plywood in there?
So me not do nothing. What me do? Me not do nothing, Kimmy. Me just stand up and then bring me down and me just answer them back. Because listen to me, Batman is very vicious or evil, Kimmy. And me, Tikki, can't go evil or vicious. And me not go make none of them afraid for walk in America. None of them not go make me afraid for walk in America. You see, when they want to fight with me not get paid for fight America. Mr. Trump is so big neck man. Send a request, Mr. Haji. Mr. Trump is so big neck man. You know, so iron tractor boot, so big neck white man feel fight war.
Hey, good afternoon.
Good evening, Midas Immigration Service.
Hey, Tikki, what's up?
I want you to come and explain in front of 1.1 people and explain to them how me get my work permit or my social security so fast. Because you remember the Sunday when me had up on the car with big one and the other person and the person did not tell me say if the woman asks for the money, just ask for the money because you cannot get work permit or social so fast. You remember that Sunday?
Yeah, man, I remember.
Okay,
but you know what? Let me tell you, it depends on your documentation. So it has to do with your documentation. When I collected your documentation and I read through it, I saw that you were eligible. And there are some people, depending on the class of admission, they are eligible right away. So
explain everything to them. So parole to everything.
Right. So if you were paroled,
they say I buy it and it fake. So explain to them.
No. You didn't buy your work permit. And I don't want to go through the whole process because everybody's situation is different. And when it comes to immigration, it's like a fingerprint. Everybody's case is different. So I don't want to come on here and say, you know, this is for you and it will work for somebody else. Because everybody else has everybody experience is different. No matter how similar the cases be, no matter how similar the experience is, everybody case different. So I don't want to, and that is why we do consultations. That's why we have to talk to people before we even start anything. Because had I not taken your documents and read through everything that you had.
And you tell me, when you just meet me, my cousin tell me about your father, July when me I tell her about coming to the US and he say if you come, that lady can help you look about asylum, she come for up a cascade. And when you tell me you come for up a cascade, you ask me my mother name and my auntie name in my inbox. And I say, wow, she know me. You say, give me a number, I can help you so and do this and do that. And when me give her my number and me reach out to you and talk to you, say to me, say, you know what, Fia, you know what, Olive, and me call my mother, and me call my auntie, and me ask them about you. And they said, yes, they know you. They tell me your parents, or they tell me everything about you. And then afterward now, me go ahead and you say to me, say, Tikki, if you do not fear or you're not afraid, send me a document. So I'm sending me documents. I said, Tikki, you know you can get a work permit or social right away because you were able to get it because you are on parole. You can even go ahead and married. Everything
Yes, Cascade St.
Moderator about Black Tash.
Praise a Cascade St. Yes. Yes. So remember, everybody's case is different, and yours was different. Yours was different. Yours is probably in like maybe 25% of people who enter the way you did.
Okay, Miss Adji, me thank you so much, Kachu. Yesterday,
Oh, I know
they can't get me locked up because it work permit and the social when me have it fake. So me just make them know say me get it through you, my that's immigration service, and you were the one that let me be able must get it.
No. Those are legitimate documents, and we don't do fraud over here. So no matter what happens, remember you're going to go through the right processes with the right agencies. No, we're not doing fraud over here at all.
And then no time afterward, my ankle bracelet was removed off my foot. When my ICE officer read up me and everything, he say you are behaving yourself. I see it is possible to take off your foot. You remember? Remember me on the phone when I remove it off of my foot too. You remember everything?
Right.
Yes, Jody. What's up, Jody?
Good evening, Tikki. Good evening. You know, so the other day I was on your live and somebody blocked me for nothing. So may I beg you, please unblock me, please, and thanks.
Don't move, Jody. Don't move.
Cause you know, say me there from Jamaica.
Don't move, Jody.
One team judgment.
You don't move, me and don't move. So everybody I go talk. Me no need no validation for nobody. And me no need no answer for nobody because nobody no response to me. You get black off of the little page, not off of the big page. I'm going to switch over to the little page. Don't move the Jody, me come.
All right. So remember you have everything. You have, I mean, I can go as far as the application if you need. So I can go because I have all the applications as well. So I have those. But your documents are legitimate, and of course, we're still looking for everything to work in your favor.
I thank you so much, Miss RG.
So you don't have to continuously explain to people how it happened. I mean, the thing is, they thought that it was something that could not be done, and you proved them wrong.
Listen to me, Miss RG. You see the person with the phone, Miss RG, she believes she know everything under this world. You see when she talk, anything what she say, I saw it go. So she tell me, say, Tikki, have you seeking asylum and do that? Me tell them when me feel like telling Miss RG, because remember me you don't talk about that. Me have the whole of them in a circle, so I make the whole of them say me an idiot. It's just like me sit down at the middle of the ball field, so and the whole of them a juggle the ball over my head. And me just get up, I just take the ball for them, go in pile, hoofy pile, I just run go score the ball for the goalkeeper one in the house. Me just let the whole of them a laugh after me. So you understand me, I say?
Yeah, just continue to do it.
Then come and you tell me panic call with you say me can't get it none at all because I have to come in the country and after seeking asylum I have to be in the country for 150 days, then have a petition this and have a petition that. No, you see when you in a detention before I don't know about the chat. Don't you me and unblock your baby. Miss RG, you see when me in a detention and me say to I say, me see people come after me and get up or come out. Then say to me, say, listen to me, Rick Russell. Everybody case are different.
Yes.
Case, everybody different.
Everybody's case is different.
Yeah, and everybody case different.
Yeah, it's like a fingerprint. So, and by the way, for those of you who are listening, I'm not an attorney. I do work with an attorney, but I'm not an attorney. So I want you guys to get that clear. It's just that I've taken a lot of immigration courses and I could probably provide him some guidance.
I just do everything. But me. You never have to go to IT change your address. I thank you so much, Gypsy girl. Thank you for receiving your candy. I do appreciate it. Mwah. I thank you so much. It's Miss Adji for clearing the ear for me. Love you so much. My mother said, just give your aliens and my auntie. Me make you talk to them.
Yeah, man. Continue to do well.
All right.
All right. Bye-bye.
So when these people then just a bad mind, I just so batty man steer. So now if suppose them a try to bring me down that the way they know want me to go try to bring them down what other way you come and you hear them say Tikki should do that. And then the power life I go on. Thank you, Nurse Brown. Please tell me I grow eh? What you do, no can't stop me. Me highly blessed, highly favored by God. I saw no that talk say, me can't come through the border. Me can't come none at all from me Mexico, no say me can't come. Remember when come here, so me stuck a Cancun and then I let me pan up in come there, laugh and dance and rejoice and I say, Tana Cancun over there more than you can't come through. Remember me I come and the same TikTok liar with the whole of them a beat by ya kill more than cut out liar pussy tongue and hang him with it. More than cut out liar pussy tongue and hang him with it. Remember more liar talk say I call immigration for me and I call down a border for me and you know me not fi come here. Who remember them the time there? But big up Skydiamond and Nurse Brown, them will fight with me to the end. And my real supporters, them must send 10 or then 20 or then $2 with me must help me. So all of the girls in my journey coming from Jamaica to the US, they send me 10 or $20 big up uno. Cause so they would have find it impossible if they say me can't come here. So I wanna find it impossible for me can't get a work permit and a social in no time. Me blessed highly favored by God. Me walk with victory. Me fear God. Me highly blessed. Me walk with God round me in me heart. God me so blessed. Thank you, me auntie. What's I love you bad. Blue money. You may have to follow part this page of Blue Money. I'm a friend page. Now when I'm in detention, I fight it. I fight it, I know say, yeah man, here with Jesus, with God, all things are possible. And me never give up. Me tell me I start fight, a whole time me fall, a whole time me cry in there. You no can't bring me down. You did say me now come out, you say me I go back on my yard. But here God let me out when you say, if president win this a president test bad, I must lock off this a president I don't like Batman and me no like immigrant. You say no like Batman that I want me can't come true. You no like transmission that I 2 me can't come true. Bad lock off that I 3. Ice done 1 me already that I 4. And when me come true is like a miracle. So why me can't be a miracle for me get my work permit and me social. You can't stop me. Me unstoppable. Someone who has a Batman out here, who want me see a try stop me, and look for you have to go on a machine and fix on face, on a mouth, on a nose, on a body, on a breast. Me don't have everything already. 1, 2, 3 fix, 4, 5, 6 total. No for no girl will go like on a portion. Me I don't know me multiply, me take away and still can't give me a total all now. And if it want a total, me just run go job for one make up over this and boom boom bang and me come out and me total. Me not have to fix. You not go like me. You can't tell me not to burn me. Me bless. So me no need no validation for nobody. Me no need no validation for nobody. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 fix, 4, 5, 6 total. Easy fix done. Boom bang bang. For a girl when a born with looks and no by shape, me a beat to no bad. Me living on no head. Me have no like a matlock. Me a bad on no bad. What do you hate me for? Should me say what I Batman them have yet? Should me say all of them dead like I have the bug? I don't lie me I tell. I don't lie me I tell. I'm here so real woman out here.
Look a big back, strong mustache looking Batman and this is a wash you.
Yes. What else? Your teeth come like a razor blade, you know. The last woman you suck off your neck, you see? You bite up your neck, me think you made a fight with dog. Your teeth can't do the work right, so. Yeah. Someone that won't know come with now. Nobody have to tell me say big one did love me. Me know say big one did love me. So what about my love? Me never love him. One want to say Tikki ungrateful or ungrateful come. A person must click life every day and bring it on a class here, you know, for answer. Me no fi answer none at all. Me must just take it bring the night idea. Fi make them keep on text it for me. I know he loves me and I also love him as well. But a war. When you are war, you do everything. So through me and him a fight fist fight right here so now. And me see not me machete over there so me now go take up the last run go start chop him out of the last so I go say Lord God but to my dinner and have to chop him. I fight me and you fight. If me and you fight and me do you slap your fist fight and me see the phone me now go take the phone and start lick you. I fight me and you fight. So when me and you fight me I go find hard things to come at you with. Me never come and post no picture and do this or do the most. Me could have come and do a lot of things. I know the lip glass and the lip them fluffy. And nobody can attack me for I come to New York. 52 states in America or 50 states and I walk through any one of them free. You're mad. I'm not fight or tussle up with nobody. Anybody around me done, me run go straight into the police station. You no fight with them. And them Mr. Trump here for fight war. You no go fight with so big. You no meet me on a podium. What man Aliyah? You no meet me on a podium. With so big neck blood clot white man. And pure blue light. And 3 stripe. Since as you don't want to fight, me go make you do an international fight with a international blood clot fighter. So I hope you no paper spray bigger than for the police them. And I hope you no blood clot the knife I could bigger than for the police make level them. And them you must go fight with. Since as you don't want to fight, you no go be an international fighter. So let me see if you no can win them. Me not go fight and mash up my reputation. Cause me no bad. Me never come America to fight. God save me. I who have what 20 lakh I see me a cash up what $10. Me no live for media. Half the media is a different person. Me I talk by phone call and enough things me I talk and you never see me bring them the things that come from media so me a different somebody when they come on. Me believe in me I have something as a friend. Me can tear off on my phone and WhatsApp class or bring you down and go tell me life as
let's be realistic.
Dance and entertain me people with the Aliyah. Dance and entertain me people them and know to keep it going and call your name.
So
The
Tikki, let's be realistic.
Papaya. Me go on my WhatsApp and me say Papa, you know I'm black here from my page and me black paper from WhatsApp after I've never come Jagar or there yet. And I years of me and I just a come for TikTok and I would me unblock him. I'll be a whole pa friend me have and me them go down there in Emmanuel Road. So why then could call me phone and say Tikki?
So Tikki, let's be realistic. Let's be realistic about it.
Okay, I'ma call you right back. Like give me like 30 or 40 minutes. Okay. Yeah, Aliyah.
You do not take people. No,
Aliyah talk to me, don't be argument, talk. You realize that me not cuss me attack. Them a get up this man in them attack, and them a paint the picture for me like say Tikki is the worst person because me probably say things and me talk about picture this and talk about picture that. What uno do, what uno want to follow action, what uno did do. See me do good uno a reaction. Uno never do nothing, me just come out and talk about it so. Uno never do nothing at all. Uno never that talk how man no want me, how man telling you this, how man telling you that, who for all with me wear, who for makeup, how me smell, how me clothes smell, who for all clothes me did wear. Want to follow action, make me go no a reaction. Want to how no good on low, and me good on low. Me a talk for me right. My cousin come here, my cousin tell me last night, say listen to me, cause everybody and me say no man, me done. And my cousin say listen to me know you for your pitney.
nothing.
Listen to me, Alia.
Have
We
freedom
all
of
need
speech.
people.
Everybody have freedom of speech because Saturday when you call me, I could have run here from my phone. Because at the end of the day, big one is my cousin, but no. I listen to you, I tell you, it's a girl, I there start clean two shit. So here when I done, I call you. I tied up, I never get for call you back on anything though. But as I said to you, Tikki, sometime we have to just let people win. You understand? Sometimes people can talk, you just allow them.
So wait there. So true
Why
we need
would-
people.
why
Alia,
would
me
you
talk
argue
now.
with
So
someone that
Alia,
has
wait
nothing
now.
to lose?
So true we need people. Alia, me a go lie down at the time make everybody walk by me and get up and brush off, you know, so.
So I'm asking now, Tikki, because really and truly, this thing we're going on on TikTok, I don't really know.
Let me tell Alia, I'm
What
lying
I'm
on back
all
again.
of this
I'm
bring
making
down
them
and
walk by me
judgment
again. Because me say me are gonna need people. Me are gonna need people. So me are gonna make everybody walk by me. So I want somebody in America to help. I want somebody. If people them will put it say me are gonna need them. So true me are gonna need people. Me must make them take advantage of me.
So I'm asking Tikki, what really happened?
Me now go back over that conversation. Me done the argument, Alia. Me we call you explain everything to you. Me no want it lead up back to no cussing. And me have to go back harder, judgment. Cause you see cussing, them a go say things burn me, and me have to go back harder.
Them a
You
go say
understand
what?
what I'm saying? So me just want done the argument. Me not have to explain nothing what happened. Me just want done the argument.
But if you want done the argument, Tikki could have been done the argument. Sometimes
No,
people
I don't cuss me. I cuss no
them.
Alia. Me a go talk to me people them. Me can't go talk to them.
But
See me come
obviously,
them
the
this up.
same chapter you coming on back on. So, as I said to your harmonies, sometimes people talk things, you just allow them. Why would you
No,
argue with people that
not
has nothing
everybody
to
you
do?
can allow. All right, so Alia, me allow you 3, 4, 5, 6 times, Alia, and you come back again, Alia. 7 times. You believe so me can't take it every time, so Alia?
But girl, you have to understand, Tikki, sometimes the devil push out to rock, my love. You just have to leave the people in my love.
Alia, not every one of them you can't lift the rock, Alia. If you come from
Wanna kill you, Tikki,
me
make you
tired of it,
stronger.
Alia. All right, Alia, hear me I say. Every day me see you while playing road, Alia, me backs up here on your face. One day you not go walk with a knife, must stab off me neck.
Eventually, that makes sense.
Okay, so if every day you come, Alia, your class, me, Alia, me keep on and take it, Alia. One day me can't answer to Alia, me have feelings to a blood
But
run
was
through
it
me.
me coming from the media come class? So is it for your own good or I just want to bring it down?
Huh?
Me just put it in an example. Me come from the media come class, yeah. Am I classing you for your own good or I just want to bring it down?
Just want to bring me down. Class of one good Alia different from bring me. If me confide in your Alia as a friend. And me say, Alia, you know, say me love Kim and so forth. Kim are your friend. And you go to Kim and Kim tell you the feelings when you have for me. And me tell you the feelings when you have for Kim. And everything about my business, you try to dig down and I know. And me tell you everyone I'm